You can share your screen here. Did you try the method length like I told you?
Yeah, wait, do I need to print it out? So I
Yes,
did.
because if you don't print it, then you will never see an output or what is the result of that method.
Well, what do I print? I just print. I need to do, let's say, wait, it'll be an integer. So integer, like, okay.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
but why did you remove the old code?
The whole code is here.
Okay, good. Can you okay, my question to you now, if you would like, so this 20 is what? Is actually the count of characters inside this string, is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So here it will
This
come
is what,
21, am I right?
yeah. Eh?
Or there is an error because, okay, you
Oh,
know why
because I have,
just
yeah, this too.
wait, give me a second. Let me try to help you here, please. So
Okay.
first of all, the thing here, never mind. Let me see here. So here, the problem when you run these two codes, the only problem is that you redefine this phrase two times. If you just
Yeah.
remove the word string here, it will work.
Oh.
Because, okay, yeah, just totally remove it. Yes, it will work.
Yeah. Okay.
Does it work now?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, now my thing, if I would like to tell you, get me the last character inside this string phrase.
Okay. Okay.
How can you do it?
I'll
Without
do the
counting.
substring. I'll do the substring. Oh, because normally I do the substring, then 20, 21
Okay, but
in
then
the
what
bracket.
if, okay, fine, I understand and I accept.
Yeah.
So, but is it every time you're able to know
Mm.
and count the string itself? What if the user
Mm.
is the one who is going to enter the string and you don't know upfront what is the size of the string? So how can you do that?
Yeah.
Using the dot length, find a way to tell me what is the last character inside. So it means that instead of putting index like that and defining index upfront, calculate it using the dot length.
Mm.
So,
But technically, right, if I have my length here, technically, can't I just do, like, let's say, substring, and then in the bracket I put length, like length minus one, and then length.
fine, but substring. Okay, what you are saying is exactly fine because there is many ways to do the same thing. Yes,
Yeah. Yeah.
you are true, but character add is only designed to get a last character.
Mm.
So yes, I understand that you know how to use a substring very well. I just would like to make sure that you understand character add only at the moment. So
Okay. Okay.
now just bear in mind here we start with 0. Okay, most
Yeah.
probably
Yeah.
because that string is like 20 or 21 here, so you will find
Yeah.
that this character is what value? 20 or
20.
21?
20.
Exactly. Okay, if you put the index here 20, will it work? Can we try, please, to instead of 5, we put 20?
I don't think you well, it might work. Yeah, okay.
Okay, good. So
It gives,
instead of this 20, can you
yeah.
please put phrase dot length -1? Yes, but length here is a method, so it need to be have two brackets, two empty brackets.
Oh,
Okay, good. Run then.
oh, yeah, because this is at the
No,
bottom.
wait, don't comment, don't
Okay.
comment. Let me just tell you, what is it complaining here? So it
Because
just
length is not.
wait,
Yeah.
wait. Let me explain this
Okay.
phrase. He is trying to check it in the memory, but it was not defined yet. You only define the string here. So what you do is you take that line, you put here on top. Just cut it and put it
Okay.
up. Okay, can you try to run and see? Did we have the same output like here? So you see here and here.
Yeah.
Is it the
Yeah.
same?
Yeah.
But you are smart enough to tell me, why did we use -1? Why can't we use length only? Smart boy. Okay, we are in it. Please remove the -1 and try to run.
Yeah. I got the same. I got 21 before I -1. Then I get the same. Oh.
String index out of range. Just bear in mind, when the length bring you a result, it count how many characters starting from 1. So it give you 21. But 21 is the total size when we count, when here start counting from 1. But when we start counting from 0, it means that we are off by 1. So we count from 0 to 20. So the last character here in programming is 20.
Right.
So that's why you -1. Now, did you understand?
Yeah.
Bear in mind, this -1 thing will occur to you many times, especially with the length and with in many aspects in programming, you will see it. Okay. Okay, good. Excellent. Yeah, let me just try to continue sharing things with you.
Okay.
Okay, so there is another function that we try to actually find here or learn. So the thing is, string have a lot of functions that is very important actually. So one of these is replace. So this help us. You give it some kind of characters or string, okay, and it is start replacing things for us. So you see here, it will search for O and replace it with E. Now, do you see the output when we replace O with the E? So do you see here, there is O and there is O.
Yeah.
And the output here, we replace it with the E. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Then I would like you to try to, this is a code that is, okay, let me try to, is it readable now? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, are you able to figure out what this code is trying to do?
Let me see. Okay, so first we get the length, then place character. Okay.
Okay, so did you understand it? I will send it to you, please. I would like you to. Did you understand it, or I need to explain it?
The third line, like the third portion of it, where the halfway point.
Uh-huh. Do you mean here?
Yeah, yeah. So what they do is what they just in the center of the string they add a
In the center of the string. So, okay, halfway point. So he know now what is the middle character or middle position here. Okay, and then he says the first half he get an old string, but let me see where is old string. So this is old string. Okay, and then he make a substring from 0 until the half that he calculated here, and he store it in the first half, and then so it means that he dividing the string. Am I right? He's trying to divide the string,
yeah.
and then he is adding dash in between them, and then he's printing them out.
Yeah.
It's not clear, is it? Or it's confusing?
Yeah, it's a bit confusing.
Okay, good. So then it means that if we run it and start modifying it, then it will be slightly better. So I will send it to you, and I would like to see you doing it in the coding. Okay, let me see.
Okay.
So we didn't talk yet, or I forgot to mention to you that character add that we tested a few while ago. You can start sharing your code, please. Yeah. So imagine that we are doing a code that check everything the user input, and we always ask the user to put an apostrophe or even yeah, let's say apostrophe at the end of every sentence that he input to us. So this is one of the ways that we can check that. Yeah. Start building your typing skills from now. A programmer actually need to be typing very fast.
Yeah. Should be okay for now.
Interesting. So you managed to split the string or no?
Yeah, technically, but yeah, 7 years ago, and then first call, but then and the string. Technically, I did it,
But
it's not very
accurate or perfect.
Yeah, because I end at the end,
Okay.
Yeah.
So, but the know-how of how you can split a string. So you asked it a few
Yeah.
while ago about using a substring, right? You wanted to use a substring. So I
Yeah.
think the most accurate way to use a substring is this way. That you
Yeah.
really cut a whole string. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
And is it clear to you about this usage of replace?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So let me please try to continue sharing.
Okay.
So there is two exercises, but I think you are still able to do them. So I will let them be part of your homework. So this is a great exercise. I think this is the matter of if smart if statements if you do them properly, but then you have to use logical operators with them properly because okay, so you get the student get A plus if he gets a numerical grade between 97 and 100, okay, and he get A if he gets some kind of grade between 94 and 96. So you need to formulate your conditions in a proper way, okay. So the user here, you have to write a code. The user enters the grade, and you give him his letter grade and print it out like that. Okay. So this is a series of if statements that you need to formulate properly. Is it fine like that?
Yeah.
I'll pass you these two as if part of your homework. Okay.
Okay.
And the same goes here. If we have a season, okay, and then I would like you to ask the user to enter a season, and then if he put winter in this way, then you tell him that this winter is between December 20. Here it's showing 21, so it's here is he's telling, but forget about the difference between 20 and 20. Just show 21. That doesn't make really much sense to me. So it means that the user enter 20, the user enter winter in this way, and then you go and check from this, and then print him the start and the end, and you put a dash in between. Is that difficult?
No, can.
But please, I want you to test your code against this input. So sometimes the user enter winter in this way and spring in this way, summer this way. But then I also want you to care when the user give you, instead of a capital letter for winter so the W is small and the enter is part of its capital, and also goes for the spring. So this is a trick here. But other than that, I think it's so easy, not so difficult. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Then the wellness menu is actually something that is interesting, because I want you to print a list to the user, a menu to the user. And the menu should have many options. And the many options is, I wanted to show the user BMI, BMR, healthy eating, food pyramid, fitness training, fast food. Okay, so this is the 5 options. And then forget about that. There is no need to actually use sample print. The program should accept uppercase, lowercase letters for each menu. So the point here is that for each part of the menu, you need to make the user select a character, a specific character. So because, okay, you want to show the user which things that he need to calculate, BMI or BMR or health eating or food pyramid or fitness training or fast food. So so you will somehow say, okay, if the user choose B, then you will do the calculation for the BMI, or start the part of the program that do the calculation for the BMI. If you choose BMR, so maybe in this case, because we have 2 B's here, maybe you ask the user to choose R. Or also it's also a possible way that you use ABC. So if you choose A, you do the calculation for BMI. If you choose B for BMR, if you choose C, so healthy eating. So how can actually you start doing something like that? So this is, again, I know that you didn't start to print any menu before, but let me give you this as a starting code. So you start to write him that ask him, please select one of the following options from the menu for more information. Select a letter corresponding to a menu option. So when you print something, I prefer that you do something like that before. So this is the first option, BMI. So it is possible that you say A and print it as a print statement to the user, and then you accept input from the user in this way as a choice. So please enter the letter only that correspond to your choice. So he will enter a letter. and then you need an if statement later to actually print, oh, the user have choose A, which is for BMI. This is at the start. At a later stage, we have a different exercise to do this kind of calculations of BMI, BMR, and so on. Okay. Did I make myself clear, or it's confusing to you?
Yeah, I can.
Really? Can you do it now?
I can try lah. This one is a bit difficult, but I can try.
Okay. So again, let me give you an extra tip here.
Okay.
You can use equals ignore case. So you see here, if you do the if statement with choice dot equal ignore case A, then if the user enter A or even A capital, you are able to accept this as a choice from him and then print the user choose BMI. So this is, yeah. And you do that with the rest of the menu. You have 5 options for the menu. So you have A, B, C, D, E. Okay. I will send you the 3 slides and then you can start.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Let me get you here this. So Ashvin, I have wrote thousands of lines of code before.
Yeah.
I just the most important thing, Ashvin, that you never lose confidence, and no need to worry a lot. Actually, yes, everything new seems difficult to be done, but I want you to ignore that feeling, because you know why? Because every time I look behind, every time I was scared, it doesn't actually help me, or it doesn't even affect the results. That it just delay me. So to me, I wanted to use that as something helpful for you. Don't be scared. Don't get scared. It will not help you. And at the end, you will find yourself also able to achieve and pass that difficulty that you are seeing. Okay. So I already sent you these slides. Have a look at them, and you can start sharing. Okay, we need to close.
Okay.